My name is Casey Bell, and I would like to shout out my dad, who is currently serving in the Navy. My dad is one of the coolest people that I know. He is an inspiration, and I would love to be like him one day.
Those who live today remember those who do not. Those who know freedom remember today those who gave up life for freedom.
Thank you for your bravery. Thank you for our freedom.
My name is Blake Arnold. I'm from Homeland Security. I enlisted with the National Guard, and I chose to join to serve people and provide safety for people so they can express their freedoms.
My name is Joseph Amerio. My lab is welding. The branch I am joining is the U.S. Army.
Hello, my name is Andrew Paul Kleintub. I am enlisting into the Marine Corps.
I'm Hannah O'Rourke. I'm in the Senior Criminal Justice Lab, and I enlisted in the Army National Guard.
My name is Ava Grunkemeyer, and I joined the Navy. I joined the Navy because I want to honor my country and those who came before me.
Hi, my name's Mariana, and my brother is currently in the Marines. He's stationed in California, and I just wanted to say how proud I am of him.
We see these soldiers in our mind as old and wise. We see them as something like the founding fathers, grave and gray-haired. But most of them were boys when they died, and they gave up two lives, the one they were living and the one they would have lived.
We thank you for your courage. We honor your sacrifice.
Your service will never be forgotten.
I just want to say thank you to my sister Jasmine, who's in the Army Reserves.
Hi, I'm Lydia, and my brother is in the Army, and he's stationed in Alaska, and I want to let him know how very proud I am of him.
Today, on Veterans Day, we honor those who honored our country with its highest form of service. You who once wore the uniform of our Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines, or Coast Guard.
A veteran to me is someone who sacrifices so that everyone else can live their lives as normal people.
One word that describes a veteran is freedom.
Amazing.
Hi, I'm Haley Welch, and the person in the military is my dad. He's in the Air Force, and I would like to thank everything he's done for the country and what he sacrificed for our country.
Hi, my name's Maya. My brother's in the Army. He's stationed in New York, and I just wanted to say how proud I am of him.
I want to thank you to my grandma, Charlene Stefani, for serving 24 years in the Air Force.
Shout out to my mom and dad who served in the Army. I'm proud of both of you.
My name is Veronica. My brother is in the Marines, and he's stationed in California, and I just wanted to let him know how proud I am of him for serving our country.
We celebrate this Veterans Day for a very few minutes, a few seconds of silence, and then this country's life goes on. But I think it most appropriate that we recall on this occasion and on every other moment when we are faced with great responsibilities, the contribution and the sacrifice which so many men and their families have made.
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
I'm grateful for my grandfathers and my dad who have served, and I'm especially grateful for my son who is currently serving in the United States Marine Corps. I appreciate all those who have served and are serving, and thank you for protecting our rights and our freedom.
Huge shout out to Mr. Wagers, who was a Pioneer graduate in 1997 and went on, 1996, and went on to be a Marine recon in Iraq and is now one of 3 left in his unit.
I just want to shout out to my daughter Ellie Corbus, who's currently serving in England with the Air Force. Just very proud of her for her 7+ years of service.
Thinking of you on this Veterans Day. Thank you for your sacrifices. Let us never forget. Thank you for your bravery. We salute you. We celebrate our heroes.
And a special shout out to my brother who's in the Marines.
Thank you for all you've done for our country.
I'm Madden. My dad's name is Andrew Seymour. He's in the Ohio National Guard, and I'm very proud of him. He works hard, and I love him very much.